Welcome to the tutorial on creating a geometric artwork pattern. Let's start with the initial markings. Begin by marking the center of your paper with a pencil. This will be our reference point for the entire pattern. Next, draw two small lines, one 13 centimeters above the center and one 13 centimeters below. Now take a technical compass and draw a circle with a diameter of 26 centimeters, centered on the initial mark. Label the 2 points where the circle crosses the lines as T for top and B for bottom. These points will guide us in the next steps. Now, let's divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Without changing the size of the compass, mark 6 equally spaced points along the circumference of the circle. Use points B and T as starting references. Label these new points as B1, B2, T1, and T2. Slightly reduce the size of the compass. Using points B1 and T1, draw arcs that intersect. Label the intersecting point as 1. Repeat the same process on the opposite side, using points B2 and T2 to create another intersecting point. Label this point as 2. Now, using a ruler and points 1 and 2, mark points R for right and L for left on the circumference of the circle. With the compass set to the radius of the circle, use points R and L to mark 6 points around the circumference. Dividing a circle into equal parts can seem tricky, but once you get the hang of it, it opens endless design possibilities. If you're interested in geometric art, I have plenty more tutorials on my channel. Now, we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. It's time to draw the pattern. Using a 0.6mm technical pen, draw lines from point B to all other points around the circle, but skip the point directly in front of B. You know, having precise measurements is key to creating symmetrical designs. It's a simple step, but it makes all the difference. If you enjoy this kind of detailed work, check out my other videos on the Artist channel. There's always something new to learn and create. Shift one point aside and repeat the line drawing process, again skipping the front point. I love this part of the process, where the pattern starts to reveal itself. It's like watching a puzzle come together. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'm here to help. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial from Artiz. Once all lines are drawn, erase the initial pencil markings to clean up your design. Finally, let's add some color to our pattern. Start coloring between the meshes, beginning with the outer ring. Use an indigo blue marker as your first color. Move to the next mesh and continue coloring with the same indigo blue marker. Coloring is where your creativity can really shine. Feel free to experiment with different color schemes. If you try this pattern with different colors, share it with me on Instagram. Your support helps me keep creating more tutorials for you. Move inward one mesh and switch to a cobalt blue marker. Move inward again and use an Arctic blue marker. Color the next inward mesh with the Arctic blue marker as well. Move inward one more mesh and use the cobalt blue marker. For the innermost ring, return to the indigo blue marker. Complete coloring the other half of the circle in the same manner, ensuring a balanced and harmonious look. And there you have it, a beautifully designed geometric artwork pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy creating! I love hearing from you. If you have suggestions for future tutorials, leave a comment or send me a message. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me create content that you enjoy.